In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pinterest mobile pin that doesn't expire. Pinterest makes this simple. Standard pins don't expire. Once you publish a pin, it stays on your profile and can continue collecting views and saves for months or even years. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to publish from the Pinterest mobile app so your content keeps working for you over time. Start by opening the Pinterest app on your phone and making sure you're in the account you want to publish from. From your home feed or profile, tap the Create option, then choose Pin. This takes you into the Pin editor where you'll add your media and details. Now choose your image or video. You can select from your camera roll or record on the spot. For best results, use a vertical image with a 2:3 aspect ratio. Think 1000 by 1500 pixels, and keep any text large and centered so it's readable on small screens. If you're using video, aim for clear lighting, distinct visuals in the first few seconds, and short captions that explain what viewers are seeing. When your media looks good, tap Next. You'll land on the details screen. Add a clear keyword-rich title that tells people exactly what they'll get. Then write a helpful description with the main keywords your audience would search for, plus a short, natural call to action. In the link field, paste the most relevant landing page for this pin. Make sure the URL loads quickly and matches what the pin promises. Avoiding link shorteners can help with trust and clarity. Next, pick a board. Choose the board that best matches your pin's topic so Pinterest understands the context. After that, tag topics that align with your content to help Pinterest categorize and distribute your pin to the right audience. If you sell products and have access to product tagging, add product tags so viewers can learn more or shop directly. If not, simply continue without this. Before publishing, open Advanced Settings. Here, add alt text to describe the image or video for accessibility and clearer context. Review any additional preferences available in your app version, such as comment controls. These settings help your pin perform better and serve all viewers. When everything looks right, tap Create to publish. Your pin is now live, and importantly, it won't expire. Give it time to be indexed, and it can keep attracting views, saves, and clicks long after today. You can edit the title, description, board, or link later if you need to fine-tune performance. Happy pinning!